नमस्कार. आयच्या डिबेटात तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. विशय आसा तो जेन्ना एक कॅबिनेट मिनिस्टर आपल्या जिवाक धोको आसा म्हणटा आनी तोय बी आपल्या ड्रग्साचेर आवाज काडलो म्हण तेन्ना आमचें राज्य आनी तातूंतली लॉ एंड ऑर्डर खंय पावल्या असो प्रश्न निर्माण जाता. आज आमचे बरोबर 4 मानेस्त आसात. विशय खूब गंभीर आसा. ग्राउंड रियलिटी कितें आसा आनी मुखार कशें वचपाचें हाजेर आमी भासाभास करतले. पयली आसात म्हजे बरोबर आम आदमी पार्टीचे फुडारी आनी जाणी मोर्जे सारक्या भागां भितर असले गजालींक प्रचंड विरोध केला ते देवेंद्र प्रभुदेसाय, स्वागत. दुसरे आसात म्हजे बरोबर गोवा फॉरवर्डाचे चीफ स्पोक्सपर्सन आनी ज्या मंत्र्यान हो भंय उक्तायलो तांचे शेजारी राजन बाब डिमेलो, स्वागत. तिसरे आसात म्हजे बरोबर काँग्रेसीचे ज्येष्ठ फुडारी आनी आमदार अलेक्स बाब रेजिनाल्ड, वेलकम. आनी लास्ट बट डेफिनेटली नॉट द लिस्ट आनी एक शेजारी त्याच मंत्र्याचे भाजपाचे मायकल बाब लोबो. देवेंद्र बाब, सुरवात तुमचे वयल्यान करता. हें जेन्ना आयकलें मिनिस्टराचें विधान कितें दिसलें आनी तुमी बी ह्या असले गजाली अगेन्स्ट कंटिन्युअस झगडत आसतात. कितलो रियल आसा हो थ्रेट? कारण सगळे गोंयकारांक कळपाक बरें की जेन्ना अशें नॅक्ससाचेर कोणी हात घालता किंवा तांकां चॅलेंज करता तेन्ना कितली सिरियस गजाल आसता.
म्हजे बाबतींत पयलीं उलयता. हांव गेले 20 वर्सां ह्या एंटी ड्रग्स इश्यू भितर झगडत आसा, पण म्हाका 20 वर्सान केन्नाच थ्रेट मेळ्ळो ना. दिस अ फॅक्ट. बट एट द सेम टायम द रियालिटी आमी पळयत जाल्यार आज ड्रग्साच्या ह्या लॉबीची पाळमुळां इतली रुतिल्ली आसात गोंयभर की दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली पॉसिबल. कारण म्हाका खूब जाणां सांगिल्लें तूं ओपनली अशें काम करता यू मे बी इन डेंजर. सो हे ज्यो गोश्टी आयकूंक येता जेन्ना 10 वर्सां फाटीं म्हाका वॉर्निंग दिल्ली कोणी की यू डोंट कम आउट ओपनली लायक दॅट. आणि लॉबी कडल्यान अशे ऑफर्स येताल्यो. दोज डेज 10 lakhs वॉज अ ह्यूज अमाउंट आणि हांवें रिफ्यूज केलो म्हणून कदाचित यू मे बी इन दॅट तांची टार्गेट. सो अश्यो गोश्टी घडना आज डिफिकल्ट ना. आज गोंयांत जवळ 40-45 वर्सां जालीं ड्रग्साचे वेव्हार चलता. सो तांची रूट्स इतली डीप गेल्ली आसा की द इश्यू इज व्हेरी व्हेरी सिरियस. आणि रायट अप टू द मुळा पर्यंत जर आमी गेले ना जाल्यार दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ बिगेस्ट न्यूसन्स इन गोवा.
अलेक्स, मिनिस्टर उलयला, तुवें इनिशियल सांगलें की मिनिस्टरूच जेन्ना उलयता तेन्ना सरकाराच्या एफिशियन्सीचेरच प्रश्न निर्माण जातात म्हण. बट गोईंग बियॉन्ड दॅट, हाऊ सिरियस डू यू थिंक इज द प्रॉब्लेम अँड हाऊ सिरियस डू यू थिंक इज द इश्यू?
If you look into history of Kalangut, what has happened, the honorable MLA is also there. What has happened is there was a contract killing which was brought out last fortnight back.
Not Kalangut,
Anjuna, okay, in that belt. I'm specifically not saying targeting him, but if you go to see this type of incidents jo jaba lagle, I think anything is possible. But onus of responsibility lies on the BJP government, that is the chief minister, who is the home minister. He cannot afford to have a minister who says that my life is at threat. Then it is failure which speaks volumes and nothing more.
बट सरकार तुमचे आसा, यू कम फ्रॉम दॅट बेल्ट, यू हॅव बीन ऑल्सो व्हेरी वोकल अबाउट दिस इशू. पण एक गजाल आमकां दिसता की ड्रग्साच्या अगेन्स्ट एक मॅसिव कॅम्पेन म्हण चलयता पोलीस आनी धरतना गांजा, हशीश असली गजाली धरतात. केन्नाच एक व्हडलो ड्रग्स सप्लायर किंवा व्हडलो ड्रग्स कन्सायनमेंट सीज केलो अशें गोंयां आयकूं येना.
जो मिनिस्टर आयज बॉब मारता ते कस्टडियन्स इन ड्रग्स आहा, सगळे लोक जाणा. हांवूय उलयला तेजेर.
कलंगूटूय आसा न्ही.
No, drugs are not sold in Kalangut. You check out. You check out.
I disagree with him.
No, you check out. Check out.
He's trying to pull himself clean.
No.
Don't try.
It's not a question of
see the
pulling.
issue is
doing your constituency and you.
Question is
we are talking about Goa.
Question is one second.
But
one
what
second.
I'm trying to
one
say.
second. We are with him to destroy it.
Yeah.
The
We are with
first
him.
you are saying accept reality.
Accept reality.
Okay.
Reality is
Reality
this,
why
that
even
in Goa
ex-MLA should
drugs
talk.
are sold. I'm not denying.
But not in कलंगूट. हें कितें?
सोल्ड म्हणजे कितें? तूं आतां कोणाक विचारीत खंय ड्रग्स मेळटा अंजुना उमके सातेर म्हणटा
Kalanguti सांगते.
ना कालांगूट ना. तूं म्हाका दाखय. You come and show me that drugs are available at this restaurant, at this place, at this place, at this place. I'm ready to take up. I'm ready to take up. But if you tell me ना ते रोडान कोण तरी उबो रावता, केन्ना येता तो चुकोन येता, तसले तेका म्हणटा पॅडलिंग थिंगा हाडटा कोण उबो रावता आनी कोणाक सप्लाय करता तसले ना. उमक्या रेस्टॉरंटान मेळटा, उमक्या घरान मेळटा, उमके ते कितें लिपोवन विकपाचें आहा सगळे लोक जाणा कोण कोण विकता पळय ते
बरें या राजन
आनी ते बंद करपाकूच जाय
you agree with Michael? Ultimately, you know Shivoli, you know
I
Saligam,
don't agree.
you know Kalangut.
No. As you have started, the whole thing has started because the minister in the cabinet has said his life is in threat.
Your minister,
This government minister.
Goa
There is
Forward
no
Minister.
my minister, your minister.
Okay.
He is the minister for Goa.
Minister for Goa.
Minister from your party.
For
Yes,
Goa,
okay.
from our party.
Yes, from your party.
Now the question is, Michael Baab is absolutely on record, 1,000 times.
Here
to
also.
say
Now also is on.
that there is a nexus between the police and the drug mafia.
And there is no politician nexus?
1 minute. That will come to that afterwards. Now, when you make a statement that there is a nexus of police and this, how can you say Kalangut is absolved of it? He has never said that. That Kalangut is absolved of it. He has never said that. He says it is a nexus. Now, when there is a nexus, a seasoned man, a very strong BJP man makes this statement, the minister saying that his life is in threat is nothing but only corroborating what he is saying. When there's a nexus between the cops and the this, everybody's life is in danger. I will tell you, I fought the case of EDMs. Not that EDM should be stopped, the drugs should be stopped. And believe me, 2 girls died, Isha Mantri and Neha
Yes,
Baguna.
yes. Neha Baguna.
I felt sorry that ultimately those parents and relatives started calling me, don't get them involved. They don't want that tag in their family that the child died out of drug abuse. But remember, in my order, I have got an order in the High Court which says that 500 meters around the EDM venue, the whole area should be sanitized for drugs. Now, question is that being implemented?
Correct. Now, this is the point. Alex, you wanted
I will
to
reply to
counter?
it.
Yeah.
One thing Michael has said today in his, whatever he has said here, he said drugs are available in Goa. So, he has admitted drugs are available.
of course who is not
One
admitting?
second. When you admit it, as one of the MLAs of the ruling party, what have you done? Or rather, you are doing something and CM is not listening.
We are all
One second.
have to do
I
it
will
together,
give
my
you,
friend.
you will get time to answer. Every time in the assembly, even this assembly, every assembly I speak. How's the Sagle assembly ulayta? Drugs munte, and I have made it very clear. We are with the government to stop it. I made it very clear. There is no politics in this. But why is it not happening? Is it failure of Manohar Parrikar as the Home Minister? Why is it not happening? Or the cartel is so big that these fellows can't manage it?
Okay, this is very...
Or the cartel is
Michael,
the government.
before I go to Deven Ba, एक गजाल असा की ती मागीर काँग्रेसीची गव्हर्नमेंट आसूं.
Oh,
I remember we released those famous Atala tapes when Congress government was in power.
Atala
when
is in-
Atala,
Anjuna
when Atala was
Atala
when
Anjuna
Atala was bragging about how he manages policemen and
Yes.
how he manages
Parrikar
politicians.
managed, yes.
So we released Atala tapes when Congress was in power. Today we are sitting here when a minister says that he feels threatened by the drugs mafia.
See,
What is nothing has changed. Nothing has changed over the Atala tapes till today. Nothing has changed.
But Atala ha, अजून देखो.
No, हांव सांगता की किती बदललें तो खंय आसूं बदललें कितें कांयच बदललें ना.
Many more
So,
Atalas have come.
so कांयच बदललें ना. Where are we heading? My point is, as a responsible ruling party leader, where are we heading? Even your crackdown, ते करबटाकच धरतात.
सी ते दीस जेन्ना आमी उलयले
हय.
हांव उलयलो विनोद पालयेकर उलयलो टू द चीफ मिनिस्टर ही सेड आय एम सिरियस ऑन ड्रग्स आनी तेणे जी मिटींग घेतली विदीन 15 days वी सॉ पुलीस एक्टिंग आनी 18 जाणांक धरले
18 जाणां ते
ना
कसले
ना
18
18 ना ना
हल्ले रे.
ऐक न्हू माझे 18 cases were booked and in that one big seizure was also made at Mapsa. So if police wants they can seize, they can catch आणि तांकां मातशें लूज सोडले जाल्यार ते फुडें वयता म्हणजे एक्ट आनीक जायना काय धरप अशें म्हणजे बंद जालें काय अशें कांयच ना ते हे जे ड्रग्स आहा ते जो तर टेम्पररली स्लो डावन जाल्ले आहा जाल्यार फुडल्या विकान परत चालू जातले फुडल्या 10 दिसांनी परत चालू जातले सो आमी तेंचेर वॉच दवरचीच पडटली आमी तेचेर दाणे मारचेच पडटले पिरियॉडिकल रिव्ह्यू मिटिंग्स हांव परतून हेच उलयता हेचेर कमिटी काडपाक जाय म्हणटा कसली कमिटी सगळे आसूंक जाय इन्क्लुडींग युअर मिडिया इनसायड टू पुट थिंग्स इन प्लेस तितून पॉलिटिकल पार्टी आसपाक जाय तेंची पार्टी गोवा फॉरवर्ड जी आयज आमच्या
Michael,
सरकाराक
but
Failure of the government. That is why we want
फेलियर नो
Why not failure?
अरे फेलियर
Why
कसो
not
उलयता
failure?
तूं फेलियर
Congress has
कशें
failed.
काँग्रेस
Admit
आसतना
it.
आमी बॉब मारताले
This is the successive failures of a successive government.
ना काँग्रेस
I'll tell you one
असताना
thing.
आम्ही बॉम्ब
In
मारताले आणि आम्ही असताना ते
1986,
बॉम्ब
when I was a
मारता
student,
Michael, let David
त्या खातीर
When
म्हणटा तुका
19
सगळे पॉलिटिकल पार्टी असूनही भितर
Okay,
I'll
Michael,
just tell you,
I'll come to
you
that.
need a
Okay.
political
No, I'll
will.
come to that.
You need a political will
पॉलिटिकल विल
to do something.
Yes, of course.
See, what I'll tell you, right in 86, when I was a student, we, organization called PSU, we under that banner, along with Jagrut Goenkaraji Fauj, a social organization formed by Seju Carvalho and similar mandate. We have hinted that time, we had a seminar, we had hinted in 1986 to the government, that time Rani government, that when you are having tourism, you should have a blueprint, how it is developing. And with this tourism haphazard way development, हे tourismच्या हातूंतल्यान आयला. Drugs is not new to Goa. It is about 45 years. I'll tell you, bad effects of tourism. It should be planned tourism. Nobody is against tourism. This is one of the wrong things which has happened because of tourism. But wrong thing. I'll tell you, I'm not against tourism. Nobody is against tourism. So let us not go to tourism.
That should put
Yeah, exactly. But then, जशें Hong Kong, Taiwan, Thailand, तेन्ना जे चलताले drugs, prostitution, same way develop जायत वतालें. 45 years back, when the groups of hippies used to come to Goa, they started it. Drugs is not new to
You
Goa.
are saying from 1986 to 2017.
Yeah, but
We have not learnt any lesson.
Any-
Okay, I'll
Successive
I'll tell you
governments.
something.
Successive governments.
No, I'll tell you one thing. See, आता सद्याक let's go ahead. हुंची drugs मेळटाय ते. मायकल कितें ना म्हणीत थंय म्हणीत. तुका आयस म्हणटू LSD म्हणटू तुगे सगळे तुगेले हेरोईन तुगेले सगळे ड्रग आतां लेटेस्ट ड्रग म्हणजे ते कॅल्विन क्लीन ड्रग म्हणजे ते आतां चालू जाला. It was launched somewhere in Goa, I believe. I don't know, one of the drugs which was launched, and I don't know which is the same one. आता पयर फाटी हांव सियोली गेलो. सियोली विनोद पल्लेकर सांगता आपल्या लायफ थ्रेटन आहा. 8 days before एक रेप पार्टी जाली थिंगा. कितें चलना? हे कितें चलना? रेप पार्टी चलता without the knowledge of the police and the home minister? Home minister has to resign, man. Come on.
No, because see, without a knowledge of
Home minister has to resign. How rape party takes place? I want to know from the home minister. Can't he manage it? All is सांगत मरता भाषण.
regional bar.
Michael,
Come on.
Michael. One thing is clear. As he said, that
Rape
owner
rape
is
party,
the government.
drugs start जाला.
ते म्हणटा तो त्याचं मिनिंग तो नको त्याने पोंग ना अजून पावंक ना तो
अरे रेप
आम्ही
पार्टी
भुरगे असताना
One second.
आम्ही भुरगे असताना
Michael,
पार्टीक गेल्ले पयले आम्ही व्हॉट इज द मिनिंग ऑफ रेप पार्टी. रेप पार्टी म्हणटा पळय ती हिंगा आतां जायना. तो म्हणटा पळय तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक म्युझिक जे असता ईडीएम टाइप मिनी ईडीएम जाता ती रेप पार्टी म्हणटा ते आधी ती भूम शंकर पार्ट्यो जाताल्यो
drugs नासतना EDM
आता जाता
Michael.
Follow now. You can't hear that music.
No, ऐका. Michael, Alex. No, Alex, a simple thing.
आणि असली पार्टी म्हणटा पळय ती
Michael,
ह्या
one minute.
दिसांनी जावंक ना
Michael, one
आधी
minute.
जाले हांव ना म्हणना
See, he has made a
गेले
very-
5 वर्सां
No, no,
आठ दीस पयलीं जाले, आठ दीस पयलीं जाले.
Michael, he has made a very serious.
I made a serious charge.
Alex, म्हाका एकच गजाल सांग. Let to be very clear, you are making a very serious charge.
Yes.
That a rave party was held in Shivoli within last fortnight.
Last
My
within
point.
this- कोणसा पयलीं?
म्हाका एकच गजाल सारकी जाय.
Oy.
You feel that there was abundant use of drugs in that party.
I am, see, one second. I have
Are
said,
you alleging that?
I'll clear what I said. I said there was a rape party in Sioli. हांव गोंडसा गेल तेन्ना म्हाका थिंगा पंचान सांगिलां की थिंगा रेप पार्टी जाली म्हणून आनी वयल्यान कितें सांगिलां रेप पार्टी जाता मिनिस्टर सांगनासतना होम मिनिस्टर सांगनासतना रेप जातील ते म्हाका विचारतात आनी ते कितें विचारतात हिंग विनोद पल्लेकर म्हणटा ड्रग्स नाका आनी हे कितें काय विचारतात ते म्हाका आनी कोण विचारता पंचीस बी विचारतात म्हाका Senior citizen आणि one second. Rape party म्हणल्यार EDM music drug नासतना जायना. It is very clear. It is on the Bible.
Michael.
Bible of the-
he is mixing two things.
No, I'm
we
not
are
mixing.
here to discuss drugs issue
But
and
drugs-
how we can
Its effects.
how we can
No, but
Bring-
he is saying that it is happening
No.
in your government.
how we can
He is saying
stop-
it happened
No.
8 to
No, but
15 days back.
See,
He
let
backed out
us
from saying whether drugs.
see let us not
He backed
exaggerate.
out.
One second.
No,
I said
let us
without-
not exaggerate.
Without drugs, you cannot have that music.
you're-
Okay.
No.
Yeah.
No presuming.
We
You can't hear that
cannot-
music. Am I clear?
No,
He will support me.
You
I
cannot
don't
see
know.
how the
You
cannot exaggerate.
how the
Come on
parties
straight.
are organized.
I'm saying
You know it very well.
You
How the
cannot
parties are
exaggerate.
organized.
I'm coming out straight.
There is a political
When I
figure.
went there, they
Yeah.
told me that without drugs, you cannot have that party.
Michael, I'll come to you. Yeah. How the parties are organized.
Yeah, I'm live this thing to it, witness to it. Now, सगळ्या बर एक political figure असा who does the setting. There's a deputy collector involved in it. There's a police officer. There's a SP, whichever north or south. is involved. Normally, these are people who are involved. Why I'm telling you, when we see these parties happening, when we fight against it, we phone to police. Once I phoned to SP not the now non-Goan, she was there, the lady. I phoned her stating that about 100 and 150 people have gathered here. They're facing the problems here. And then there could be a law and order situation. Who is involved? I said, we all are involved. You're involved. You will be behind the bars. This is a threat given to my police.
Okay.
Is this an issue when, unless the police are set, unless a phone call comes from the higher authorities or a politician, now not, when 1.5 foot somebody was involved in, your party man was organizing everywhere, Anshuna Vagator, Kalangut, or your Morji, not Kalangut, Anshuna Vagator, Morji, Mandre, Harambal, all this belt, he was setting it with PA of CM.
But एक गजाल सांगा, there are very serious allegations. तो म्हणता रेव पार्टी जाली हांगा SP धरून, deputy collector धरून, politician मेरेन, police मेरेन, everybody looks like as a part of that nexus. You need political will to break it. But are you showing enough political will to break it?
See, I'm telling you, there are drugs in Goa. We need to come with a solution to end this. For this, अशें झगडत जाल्यार जावचें ना. तो आम आदमी पार्टी, तो काँग्रेस, तेंका सांग बरोय म्हणून लेटर, हांवें बरयला चीफ मिनिस्टराक लेटर.
So many complaints.
No, Boroy.
Michael,
Let us come out with
Alex, 1 minute.
let us come out with one committee who will sit every 10 days.
No, Michael, my
Every
question
12 days.
No, just wait.
No, I'll tell you.
Michael, my question is.
त्या टायमार तेच पुलीस आसले. ज्या टायमार असेंब्ली बॉम्ब जाताली.
Michael बाप
हितूतले मालखान्यातले ड्रग्स गेले म्हणून आनी वायटेन खाल्ले म्हणून ड्रग्स त्या टायमार बॉम्ब जाताली.
Michael
बाप,
my question is very simple.
म्हणटा तर हे ड्रग्स बॉम्ब जावपाक जाय जाल्यार आमकां सगळ्यांक वांगडा येवचे पडटले.
बरोबर.
बीजेपी, आम आदमी पार्टी, काँग्रेस,
Michael बाप,
आमी 4 वाट्यांनी उलयता. We are talking in 4 directions.
No, Michael, my question is very simple.
No, there is no willpower.
You are saying that there should be a committee. Yes. And ultimately that committee has to deal with the same policemen, same politicians. How are you going to solve that problem?
We have to make them accountable. We have to make them accountable. There is no accountability.
How?
Accountability na. As आम्ही 18 जणांची केसी within 12 days बुक केल्यो. त्याच्या उपरांत केसी ना आता.
Okay.
आणि कितले दिवस रावतले आम्ही पॉलिटिकल केसेस.
Before the by-elections, Michael was raising his voice that there is a nexus between police, and I will give the names of the police officers. Why don't you disclose? These are criminals who are getting involved. What is secrecy left in this? They should be exposed publicly. Can you please come out with the name?
See, I'll tell you something.
He's not getting.
Or let him say that he has given the name to CM.
See,
let him say that.
Come on.
Whoever
You don't understand
involved,
why? What is happening, Michael?
whoever is involved.
Let him finish.
What is happening? People are beginning to lose hopes in the politician's voice. Are they raising the voice and then making a setting in a question? Now,
Michael allegation आहे आता. कसली allegation? ना जो मनीस बॉब मारता की हे ड्रग्स बॉन्ड जावपाक जाय, बरें कितें जावपाक जाय, तेचेर allegation.
You wanted to make a point.
I wanted to make a point. I wanted to make a point.
Let him.
This is not an allegation.
Yeah.
This is a direct what he had said. My question is, if you cannot disclose the names here, let him at least say, yes, he has given the list to the chief minister, which he had promised publicly, he would do it immediately after the by-election results. Has he done it?
See,
Okay.
Okay,
Michael,
one more thing.
He has to answer.
Michael. Let him. You take both the questions and then you
Now
reply.
let us focus on the debate. Let's
Yes.
not move out. I'm very clear. Michael said, I didn't write to the CM. I spoke in the assembly. I'm a legislative MLA. Please correct your statement, Michael.
Yeah, you have spoken. There is no doubt
I
about it.
am an MLA.
See.
My job is to speak in the assembly. I've spoken. Second thing I'm telling you, let us focus on how to do it. If there is a will, if Chief Minister says, if he wants to raid, I am ready to give him open support from here. Chief Minister, you raid today and catch the drugs. I am with you. Let us go on record. I will come along with you to raid that thing, and you put me as a punch for the raid, so that I don't become don't become a settlement house na. I am going as a punch witness let us come on, let's take the case to conviction. I'm telling the Chief Minister.
Michael,
from here. Come
If
on.
there is a political will,
Come
whole
on.
Goa is with you.
I am with you.
There
I am
has
with
to
you.
be a will. We cannot
There is
No,
say
Michael,
no question
Michael.
of will.
There is
You
no
are-
way that
I am
we-
telling you, you are passing time here
See,
by talking
allegation
about
Last
घालून
1 month
जावचें
about
ना.
you are the
38
Chief
cases
Minister.
in
No, no,
you
no,
are-
I
you are
am-
the ruling party.
No, I am
You
already
cannot say
saying that we
you are the
have to
ruling
work
party.
it together.
Say you have failed. Say you have failed, and you need our support. We are still there with you.
See,
Come on.
I am not saying
Come
that
on.
we have not failed.
Come on, say.
इतलो तेप-
Yeah.
See, गेली 4.5
लोकांक तुम्ही निवडून
वर्षां
आणले.
Yeah, I'll let him reply.
4.5 वर्षां we could not tackle this problem.
कित्याक रे?
हांव मानता, हांव ना म्हणून हांव मानता, पण आता तरी करूया. आता हीच डिबेटींग
कित करूया?
करप.
चल, आता debate-
आता डिबेटींग करप.
Yes. Michael,
तू allegation
Alex, hold on.
पहिले तू पावर
Alex,
देतो
hold
ना,
on.
आम्ही allegation घालतले.
Alex,
Alex,
hold on. Now, Michael, my question is very simple.
Let us focus.
My question is very simple. If there has to be a crackdown, you suggested that let us be a all-party committee
Yes.
which goes ahead and monitors periodically whether there is implementation.
Every 10th, 11th day there has to be a meeting.
Okay.
म्हयन्याक
In
3
that
meeting.
scenario, हांगा problem असा जो मिनिस्टरांनी उलोवन दाखयलो. He gave example of his own police station. He said my entire police station is compromised. He said that every policeman, including the beat policeman, is compromised. He is hand in glove with the drug peddlers. He say how should I function even if there is a political will? If there is no support from the Home Ministry, how should I go ahead and
He
do
will
the
get-
crackdown?
He will
That
get.
is the
This
point.
is what I am trying to say.
That is the point.
No, this is what I am
He will
trying to
get
say.
Uletri.
We cannot. No,
Michael, फकाण करता आमची.
No,
अरे
we
बरं.
cannot. आयज आम्ही जे पण डिबेट करता न्हू हे दाखयता की matter is serious, but we are showing that entire state of Goa is a drug state. We are trying.
It is
we
reaching
are-
that
we are-
state.
No, we are.
It is reaching that state, Michael
wait,
Babu.
wait, I'll finish.
Okay.
We are trying to show it that tourists should not come over here. See, we are responsible people over here. He is a MLA, I am MLA. He is a party spokesman. He is representing AAP. We have to come out with solutions. We cannot target the state that या स्टेटीन अशे इतले इथून या मोठ्या प्रमाणात
Rajan,
drugs-
I agree with this that doing such an issue about drugs will hamper tourism.
No, of course it will happen, but we need. I am serious
hampering-
that there is drugs. We need to stop it. But the way if we
But if
project it,
fully debate
we
हाती
still-
किसको stop
I-
करते
I
हो?
will say
No, no,
point.
my life is in danger.
Yeah.
See.
That is not the solution.
Okay, Rajan Babu.
There is no
If that is not the solution, then saying I will give the names to the chief minister. Till today he is not
See,
coming.
I'll tell
Till
you
today he is not
something.
coming
Your
clear
CM
out.
can give
Can
a-
I
When
now
you can
that
shout, when
Babu
you can
Pramod-
shout, saying that
Babu
police
Pramod.
nexus is there with the mafia,
See.
that does not expect to do
नावा
that.
जेन्ना दिता न्हू तुझ्याकडे
The police are more afraid to come in.
प्रूफ ना
Then
जाल्यार
the
तू
ruling
नावा
MLA
दिनाका
say,
तू कित्याक उलयलो?
नावा कानान दी
तू उलयलो,
कानान
कित्याक
सांग.
तू
No,
सांग
no.
कोण
कोण
आहा
आहा
पळय
पळय ते involved.
No.
Do you mean to say that your government does not know there are drugs and peddlers and cases going
Government
on?
no, it is the police department who
Doesn't know about
No,
it?
no,
Doesn't know
Michael,
about it?
Michael, you
They
cannot
have
have
to
this.
correct
Michael,
it. I am not defending anybody.
Suspend
No,
the
no.
police.
I
Let
am
us say-
not defending the police.
Suspend the
I am not
police. Come on.
defending the chief minister. I am not
What I
defending
want
the
to say
government.
is-
I am
No,
agreeing.
no,
I am agreeing over here for this debate that there are drugs and we need
Okay,
to bring
Michael
a
Babu,
solution.
no,
to this.
I'm
We have
coming
to
on-
bring
no,
a solution to this.
I'm going on.
We have to stop this.
Okay, Michael Babu.
For that I am
solution.
asking all people's cooperation.
Michael Babu,
Bring
Michael
a
Babu.
solution, we have to go to the
No,
roots.
there ना म्हाका सादी गजाल सांगात कारण दिस इज अ व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट मॅटर एक गजाल जावपा लागल्या हांव फाटली 6-7 म्हयने नोटीस करता गांवांतल्यान सध्या लोक उलोवपा लागल्यात की आमच्या गांवां भितर ड्रग्स पावला 70 भितर उलयतात दिवचल उलयतात फोण्या उलयतात कुर्तोरी पावला गांवांनी पयलीं एक विशिष्ट बेल्टा पुरती ते मर्यादीत आशिल्ले आज ते उरले ना आज गांवांतल्यान लोक मुखार येवन दे आर व्हॉइसिंग कन्सर्न दॅट आमचे भुरगे वाट लागता म्हणून भुरग्यांची कॅन वी एटलिस्ट डू म्हाका सादी गजाल आसा की डायरेक्ट वचून तो बेल्टांतल्यान ते हें काडची बरोबर एटलिस्ट वी कॅन हॅव अ 3-step अप्रोच बिकॉज वी आर टॉकिंग सोल्युशन फर्स्ट स्टेप कॅन बी at least stop the spread in the villages. The second can be you go to the belt and make the supply difficult. And then third, you can catch the drug lords. At least can we focus, can the Home Ministry, can we be unanimous that we can have this three-pronged approach?
Unanimous decision.
Yeah, wait. Yeah, no, I'll come to you.
debate,
Can we have,
debate,
Michael,
debate,
let him, I'll come one by one. Can we have this 3 steps approach that at least stop the spread, then curtail the supply, and then attack the drug lords?
For my
I'll come.
this
Yeah.
thing,
Yeah.
my view टुडे इट इज एब्सोल्युटली डिफिकल्ट. आता तितली रूट्स इतली डीप गेल्ली आसात. दे शुड बी आयदर कट द रूट्स डायरेक्टली. एक म्हणटा तसो यू हॅव टू फायंड इन 2 ways. Who are the drug addicts? Who are the drug addicts? Basically, कितें आसा, एक drug addict it spreads to another. He pulls somebody else and it spreads. Contagious disease कसो आसा त्या प्रमाणे येता. And दुसरी, secondly, who are the pushers? हे दोन गजाली आमी पयली स्टडी करूंक जाय. As no government is interested, I'm not blaming you alone. Your previous government also done the same thing. गेली 45 वर्सां नोबडी ट्राय टू ट्रॅप.
ओके.
आणि तातूंतल्यान कितें जालां की आतां ऑलरेडी कोस्टल बेल्ट इज इन सारको स्ट्रॉंग जाला.
Alex, there is one thing which I have said, that 3-step approach. He is saying 3 steps approach is not one. You have to cut it from the roots. Yeah.
My approach is very simple. आमचे पण लेबल लायले, तुवें आमी गव्हर्मेंट म्हणटा आमचे लेबल लायलो, तें रवी नायक आज पासून लेबल तेगे वचना. तेगे परिगरान पण लायलो लेबल, ते हाताला अजून देखून तेगे लेबल वचना. एनीवे, लेट्स फॉरगेट अबाउट द लेबल. They have succeeded in coming to power. They are not unable. They are unable to take the action. Let us do one thing at least. Police has got records. Let the police say no. They have got records. Who supplies? From where it comes? Everything they have. I am telling you, if you suspend the bloody IGP, if he doesn't do it within 15 days, and Parrikar म्हणटा आपण दादागिरी कोण हे कोत्ता ते कोत्तालो, तेक सांग दादागिरी कोण हे कर म्हणलो रेस्पेक्ट आमका.
I'll just give one add करता का. I gave a complaint to police PI. He arrested 10 people. One of your political leaders went and got these people out.
Okay, Michael, final. I am suggesting a 3-step approach. They are saying that cut it from the roots at one shot. Final. Yeah.
जेन्ना जो मनीस बॉब मारपाक लागता न्हू, ड्रग्स विकता त्या मनशाक टार्गेट केल्लो वता. So let us stop targeting. And what you have given the solution of 3-step approach, let us adopt it.
Okay.
First I'll start with, जो तर हांवें म्हटल्या पळय ती all party committee जायना न्हू, जाल्यार we are heading to a deadlock.
Okay. Rajan Bab.
Let the committee talk how we are talking like this in front of all the policemen, the DGP, the SP, the ANC.
Okay. Final. Trajan Bab, question is
as a government.
We have to take.
Trajan Bab, I'm simple asking. I am suggesting a 3-steps approach. They are saying
there is no
start
3
it.
step. It has to come
One
down.
stop.
We have to crack it down once and for all, because it has taken deep roots. It has to be uprooted, and to uproot it, you have to have the will to create a tremendous psychological impact, that there will be strict action against these people who are either consuming or having.
Okay.
Just like 1 minute. If Mumbai people can get worried not to drive after having drinks in a state like Mumbai, where drinks was just continuing, still continue, but cannot, it can happen in Goa.
Time सारखं सोपला.
2 minutes.
No, 2 minutes नाही, 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Yeah.
अरे पुलिसान जो तर तू ऍक्शन घेतलो आणि पुलीस जो तर कोतले हे जाता आणि पुलीस हा ऍक्शन घेवपाक रुलिंग पार्टी हॅज टू डू इट.
हांव इतल्याचेर थांबता. म्हाका दिसता कोणाचोच हे ना, कोणी ड्रग्स जाय म्हणपी कोण आमकां सापडपा ना. म्हाका इतलेच मागणी आसा पॉलिटिकल एस्टॅब्लिशमेंटा बरोबर, कारण अल्टिमेटली पॉलिटिकल वील जर आसा आनी ती आसा म्हणून जर पुलिसेक कळ्ळें जाल्यार बऱ्योच गजाली कामाक लागता आनी चालीक लागता. मातसो स्वताचे कॉन्शियन्स सांबाळचो. आज जेन्ना गोंयच्या गांवांतल्यान लोक म्हणटात की ड्रग्स पावलो म्हण, फुडले 5-10 वर्सां भितर जी परिस्थिती जातली ताका जबाबदार आमी सगळे जाण आसतले. म्हाका दिसता इतलीच जाणीव दवरची, इतलोच कॉन्शियन्सान विचार करचो आनी क्रॅकडावन करचो. कारण गांवांनी गोंयच्या जर ड्रग्स पावले जाल्यार परिस्थिती मागीर आमच्यांनी सांबाळपा जावपा ना, कोणाच्यानच सांबाळपा जावचें ना. इतलेंच मागता, ते मागीर चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन न्ही, एंटायर पॉलिटिकल एस्टॅब्लिशमेंटा कडेन मागता आनी थांबता. आयले इतली बरे तरेन मतां मांडली. थँक्स अ लॉट. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.